Here we are at Law's first dinner with real food. He's eating a rice cereal concoction. He likes it a lot, although most of it is on his sweatshirt.
Ready to try it? He likes to feed himself and gag himself. Here, let's try some more. Look. There it is. Yummy, yummy. Oops. He likes to feed himself.
There.
Good thing you're having a bath after this. It's okay.
That was a good one.
You're just spitting it out. You know there's something good in there, but it's not quite, you're not able to suck it.
You're doing really well, little guy.
Right there on your sweatshirt.
Yeah, you're doing really well. Try to keep some in next time. Yeah.
I think he is getting some of it.
Try to keep a little more in there. Here's a zoom in on the concoction.
We're both going to get better at this, buddy. There you go. Yeah. Here, try to have that.
Good first dinner, buddy. Bye-bye. Don't gag yourself again.